Documents that control the court instruct the judge to do something for you. Let me give you just one example that will blow your mind. Did you know that approximately 60% of all plaintiffs are not registered to do business in the state that they file lawsuits in? This means the plaintiffs are without standing. You can file motions to dismiss the case, and some people know enough to do this. But here's where they fail. People fail to file motions to dismiss the case and write an order instructing the judge to dismiss the case with prejudice and then schedule the hearing. So they just file motions and schedule hearings and almost always get their motions denied. There's a reason this happens. The judge is not being instructed to order the dismissal in your favor. Why this works? You have evidence to support the plaintiff filed the case against you, and they did it without standing. No matter what they do now, even if they go and register to get standing, it's too late. They must have had standing before filing the case, not file the case and get standing. And this is just one of the many, many things you can do to win a case as a plaintiff or dismiss a case as a defendant. And it's the easiest thing to do. It takes 5 minutes to see if they are properly registered. Another 5 to 10 minutes to put the case information into a ready-made fill-in-the-blanks document, and 10 to 15 minutes to schedule the hearing. If you do this correctly, you are guaranteed the case gets dismissed with prejudice, which means the subject matter of this case can never be filed against you, no matter who tries to do it. That's just one example. And that example can be done anytime before a judgment is rendered.